This is grade 5, module 4, lesson 30, and the objective in this lesson is to divide decimal dividends by non-unit decimal divisors. So we're going to look at the grid on for problem number 1 for the homework, and we're going to look at letter E and letter F. So letter E says 8 4/10 divided by 7/10. So to set this up, we're going to write this as a fraction. 8 4/10 divided by 7/10. And I want to get rid of the decimal here. So in order to do that, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. It's not going to change the value because 10/10 is equal to the whole number 1. So now I have 84 divided by 7. Okay? And 84/7 is equal to the whole number 12. So 8 4/10 divided by 7/10 is equal to 12. Let's take a look at letter F. And now we have 84/100ths. So let me write that here. Divided by 7/100ths. So to get rid of the decimal in this one, we have to multiply it by something that's equivalent to 1, and I'm going to multiply it by 100 over 100. So again, I have 84/7, and 84/7 is still equal to 12. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. And question number 3, there's two parts, A and B. It says Denise is making bean bags. She has 6 4/10 pounds of beans. Part A says if she makes each bean bag 8/10 of a pound, how many bean bags will she be able to make? And part B says if she decides instead to make mini bean bags that are half as heavy, how many can she make? So let's look at part A and write a target sentence for that. And it reads, she will make blank bean bags. So she has 6.4 or 6 4/10 pounds of beans, and she wants to make bean bags that are 8/10 of a pound. So we have, let's do this as a fraction, and I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10. So we're going to eliminate the decimal here. So we have 6 4/10 times 10 is 64, and 8/10 times 10 is 8, and 64/8 is equal to 8. So she will be able to make 8 bean bags. Now take a look at B. If she decides instead to make mini bean bags that are half as heavy, how many can she make? So instead of 8/10 of a pound, she's going to make them 4/10 of a pound. So let's do our target sentence. And that reads, she can make blank mini bean bags. So she still has 6 4/10 pounds of beans, but now instead of 8/10, we're going to use 4/10 because it's half as heavy. And that's going to be 6 4/10 divided by 4/10. Let's take that and multiply it by 10 over 10 to have 64 fourths, and 64 fourths is equal to 16. So she can make 16 mini bean bags. There are a few different ways that you could have solved part B, so this is just one way, but the answer is still 16, so she can make 16 mini bean bags.